5 of the biggest credit mistakes you can make. Number 1, maxed out cars cause your credit score to go down by anywhere from 10 all the way to 45 points, depending on what your current credit score is. Hi, I'm Tanya Cosmini with Homes by Sam and Tanya and Cinevia.com. Did you know that the higher your credit score is, the more it is impacted when you make one of these mistakes? Take a look here at this graph. You can see that the higher your credit score is for each of these credit mistakes, more adversely affects your credit when you make one of them. For example, let's say your score is 680 and you have a maxed out card. It can impact your score anywhere between 10 to 30 points, but if your score is higher, let's say 780, the maxed out card will impact you between 25 and 45 points. Crazy! A 30-day late payment negatively affects your score between 60 and 110 points. So pay your bills on time. Don't let them go to a 30-day late payment. A debt settlement drops your score from 45 to 125 points. That's nuts. A foreclosure affects your score between 85 and 160 points. And lastly, a bankruptcy negatively affects your score and can drop it anywhere from 130 points to 240 points. For more detailed information on how to maximize your credit, reach out to me or fill out the information below and I'll get you a detailed report right out to you. I am Tanya Cosmini with Homes by Sam and Tanya, and we are simplifying real estate.